Okay, guys, so welcome back. Last day of class of week 4. Today, we're going to work on some quick exercises of the topic that we have been seeing, which is equations with two variables. So remember to place the date. Today's January 28th, 2022. So what are we going to do? We're going to transform the equations in order to leave the variable y completely alone. You're going to graph using an input-output table like the one we did in our previous class, and you're going to graph that function, okay, or that line. Now remember, you need to use the given domain -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2 substituted inside the variable when the variable y is completely alone inside the equation, sorry, in order to find the value of y. And then you get your order pair x, comma y, which you're going to graph in an order in a coordinate plane. So we have 4 exercises. For the first 2, you will graph. For all of them, you need to leave the variable completely alone. I will be doing exercise number 5 in order for you to remember what you need to do. Remember, we're working with inverse operations when we solve for a variable. So I told you, we need to leave the variable y completely alone in one side and positive. So we got 2y minus 3x equals to 10. 2y is already positive, so we can leave the variable y on the left side, and we're going to move this negative 3x to the opposite side. With what inverse operation? How does it go to the other side?
Adding.
Adding, very good. So it goes positive, it goes adding. So we're going to have now 2y equals to 10 plus 3x. Okay, now we have the variable y in one side, but it is not completely alone because it has a 2 that's right next to the variable. When the number is right next to the variable, what are they doing? How should it go to the other side?
Dividing.
Dividing, because it is multiplying, right? So it goes dividing. Now, there are different options on how you can do it. You can say, okay, y is equal to 10 plus 3x and everything divided by 2. You can say it like that. It will still be correct. It will take you a little bit of simplifying at the end. Or you can simplify at the beginning by passing the 2, dividing every single term of your equation. So we can do it that way. And we have 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2, 5. Can I simplify 3 by 2? All right. So we just keep it like 3/2 x. And this, if this was an exercise that had the 2 stars, you would have to graph using the input-output table to find the values of y. Okay, so you can do it this way, or you can do it the other way that I just told you, where you pass everything. You pass the 2 dividing everything on the other side. So this is the same thing as this. This is simplified. This is not simplified. This one might need for you to use the happy face method. This will most definitely need you to simplify because it will give you bigger numbers. Okay, so either way is okay. So these are your 4 exercises. They're quick exercises, therefore they're extra points. You need to leave the variable y of all 4 exercises completely alone and positive in one side. And you need to graph the first one and the second one, okay? And basically, that's it. Any questions so far? We're clear as water. No questions. Okay, then.
No.
This is it, guys. Start working.